In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Webflow website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're making major design changes, updating content, or just want a safety net, knowing how to efficiently back up your site is essential. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Webflow account. If you haven't done that already, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your main hub where all your projects are visible in one place, neatly laid out for easy access. Next, you'll want to find the specific project you need to work on. Take your time here, especially if you have multiple projects listed. Carefully select the project you plan to back up to ensure no mix-ups. Once you've identified the right project, it's time to navigate to the site settings. To do this, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Webflow logo there. Give it a click. A drop-down menu should appear, offering several options. From this menu, select Site Settings, which will direct you to the settings page of your chosen project. On the Site Settings page, scan through the menu on the side until you spot the option labeled Backups. Click on that, and it will lead you to the Backup section. This is where you'll manage all the saved versions of your website. Webflow is fantastic at creating automatic backups, so as soon as you click on Backups, you'll already see a list of versions that have been periodically saved. This is great news, because even if you forgot to create a manual backup in the past, chances are there's an automatic backup ready and waiting. Now you can browse through the automatically created backups. Find the version date that suits your needs best. Maybe it's a backup from before a major update, or one that was created following a successful campaign launch. Choose the version that fits your requirements by clicking on it. Once you've selected your desired version, you'll see an option to restore it. Click on Restore to bring your website back to its former state. It's as simple as that. This restoration process not only covers your pages and design, but it also includes all the intricate details you've put into your site. Backing up your Webflow website is an important habit to cultivate, especially with projects frequently evolving. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that your work is always safe and sound. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one.